Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we will be learning about hybrid embossing folders. And I'll be using the Stars at Night hybrid embossing folder. Others work similarly. They generally come in a bundle with stamps. If you buy them separately, it will say Stars at Night hybrid embossing folder, but it will also come with dies. And what a hybrid embossing folder does is it cuts and embosses at the same time. So you will find the position for your die, and you want the cutting edge up. So it doesn't match up this way, but it does this way on the side with the Stampin' Up! Logo. It's raised enough that it kind of locks it into place. And you'll only need your plate 1 and your plate 4, like for other 3D embossing folders. This is a 4" by 5.5" piece of cardstock. And if you angle it just right, you can get everything in there. And if you want to check, turn it over to make sure. There we go. And then since that's poking out funny, we'll just tuck it under. Okay, so we'll open our embossing folder, and our dies are all cut perfectly. I did forget to mention that if you are using a foil sheet that has a white side, you will put the, okay, here's the cutting side again. You'll put the gold side facing the cutting edge and the white side facing up towards you. Okay, so have fun making these cool embossed and die cut stars. And Stampin' Up! Comes up with new ones all the time. So enjoy. And please sign up for my newsletter and get a project in your email every week. Thanks for watching. Bye.